Namaste, viewers. It's Thursday morning, January 30, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and 5-minute updated stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. The Sensex and Nifty closed at day's high, extending their winning streak for the second session ahead of the highly anticipated Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate decision, which did come in late last night. As expected, the Fed decided to hold rates steady. Yesterday, benchmark equity indices, the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50, extended gains for the second consecutive session to settle in the green on Wednesday. The 30-share Sensex advanced 631 points or 0.83% to settle at 76,532. Mirroring the Sensex, the NSE Nifty 50 also added 205 points or 0.90% to close at 23,163. The day ended in favor of the bulls as 42 out of the 51 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in positive territory, with gains led by Shriram Finance, Bharat Electronics, Tata Motors, SBI Life, and Trent. Bharati Airtel, ITC Hotels, Maruti Suzuki India, Britannia, and Asian Paints, on the other hand, were the 8 stocks that ended lower. Notably, ITC Hotels shares made their Dalal Street debut yesterday, following its demerger from ITC's other businesses. That's why I said 51 constituent stocks, not 50. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks, with small cap shares leading the charge as the Nifty Small Cap 100 index settled higher by 3.32%. Meanwhile, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 ended with a gain of 2.31%. The fear index, India VIX, which measures volatility in the market, ended up 2.44% at 18.64 points. At all sectoral indices except FMCG ended with gains. Nifty Bank extended its 1.7% gain from the previous session, rising another 0.6% yesterday after the Reserve Bank of India announced measures to inject liquidity into the banking system. The Nifty IT snapped a 2-day winning streak, surging 2.5%. Shares of Shriram Finance gained over 4% after the company reported a robust financial performance for Q3 FY25, with net profit surging 96% year-on-year to rupees 3,570 crores. JSW Energy's shares slid 6% after reporting a decline in third quarter profit due to weak power demand. ITC attracted attention as well, with its spin-off subsidiary ITC Hotels listing at a discovery price of rupees 180 per share on the NSE yesterday. This IPO-less listing marked a nearly 31% discount from its implied share value of 260 per share following the demerger of the hotel business. Last year, ITC decided to spin off its hotel segment into a separate listed entity to unlock value for shareholders, with a demerger ratio set at 1:10. Shareholders holding 10 shares of ITC as of January 6, 2025 will receive 1 share of ITC Hotels post demerger. In the US overnight, the Fed kept the interest rate steady at 4.25% to 4.5% as expected. The S&P 500 fell 0.5%, the Nasdaq 100 dropped 0.3%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 0.3%. Brent crude is $76.94 a barrel. Gold is rupees 80,720 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 92,170 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. From a technical perspective, the Nifty rebounded strongly from its key support of 22,800 and managed to close above the 23,100 level, which holds significance as monthly support. If Nifty sustains about 23,300 in the coming sessions, the index may extend it upward towards its upside towards 23,650 and 23,800. Conversely, 22,800 will act as immediate and crucial support, and a break below this level may lead to increased downside pressure. Stocks to watch today: Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, Infosys, Voltas, Hitachi Energy, Brigade Enterprises, JK Paper, Blue Star, eClerk Services, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, Capital Small Finance Bank, Raymond, Sami Hotels, IFB Agro Industries, Chalet Hotels, Jindal Stainless, Restaurant Brands Asia, SRF, Ask Automotive, Blue Dart Express, GR Infra Projects, Afcons Infrastructure, Sona BLW, Precision Forgings, and 3M India will be in focus on January 30 today. That's it for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.